How our digestive system works, what happens to our food after we eat them. The food undergoes physical digestion inside mouth using teeth. This process is called mastication. Starch inside food is broken down through salivary amylase released by salivary glands. Saliva also moistens our food, making it easier to swallow. Next stop is the esophagus. It is a hollow tube that connects our mouth to our stomach. After we swallow, our food travels down this tube through process called peristalsis. It encounters powerful squeezes and squishes. Now, we are in the stomach. 1. J-shaped bag which is used to physical digestion of food through churning. 2. It releases gastric juice to break down proteins and kill germs. 3. Gastric juice is composed of HCl, mucus and pepsin for protein digestion. The final step of digestion occurs in duodenum, small intestine. 1. The intestinal juices, bile juice and pancreatic juice fully break down the food. 2. The final compounds are glucose, amino acids, fatty acids and glycerol. 1. The fully digested food is absorbed by the long-coiled intestine. 2. Finger-like projection on the walls of the intestines called villi help increase the surface area of absorption. 3. The nutrients absorbed by it are diffused into the bloodstream. Glands that help in digestion. 1. Liver, the largest gland in our body, help in neutralizing excess acid and emulsification of fats. 2. Pancreas, the gland secretes pancreatic amylase, trypsin and lipase to break down fats, sugars and proteins. The large intestine then absorbs water and roughage. It also has villi which can absorb complex molecules like roughage and water. The stool enters the rectum for temporary storage before it comes out of the body through the anus. The digestive system plays an important role in breaking down our food. Our food's journey starts in our mouth, travels through our esophagus, stomach, and intestine, and then leaves through the anus. If you could take a journey through the digestive system, just like our food, which part would you be most excited to see up close and why? For more quick revisions, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to send it to your friends too. Thanks for watching.